When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, one of the most impactful yet often overlooked changes you can make is upgrading your doors. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply want to give it a fresh, inviting look, new doors can transform the overall appearance of your property. For homeowners in Metairie, the benefits are clear. A beautifully upgraded entryway not only boosts the first impression but also adds value, security, and comfort. Let's explore how new doors can significantly improve your home's curb appeal and create an inviting atmosphere for guests and passers-by alike. Make a bold statement with your front door. The front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. It serves as the first thing people notice when they approach your property, setting the tone for the rest of the house. Choosing a door that complements the architectural style of your home is essential in making a bold statement. Whether your home boasts a classic colonial design, a modern farmhouse look, or a charming craftsman style, there's a door design that can accentuate your home's beauty. Consider choosing a door with eye-catching features like decorative glass, side lights, or intricate hardware to give it character. The right front door can add personality to your home and become a conversation starter. In Metairie, with its variety of home styles, you have the flexibility to choose from a range of materials such as steel, fiberglass, wood, or composite doors. The key is to find a door that both fits your home's aesthetic and enhances its overall appearance. Boost your home's security and energy efficiency. While aesthetics play a major role, the practical benefits of upgrading your doors should not be overlooked. A new door can offer enhanced security and better insulation, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Older doors, especially if they are made of wood or are improperly sealed, can allow drafts to enter your home, making your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Energy-efficient doors, such as those with insulated cores or low emissivity, low-E glass, help prevent heat loss in the winter and keep your home cooler during the hot Metairie summers. A new door can therefore help reduce your energy bills and make your home more comfortable year-round. Additionally, modern doors come with more secure locking systems, which provide an extra layer of protection against intruders. Update patio and sliding doors for a sleek look. The front door isn't the only entry point worth considering. Updating your patio or sliding doors can also significantly impact your home's curb appeal. If your sliding glass door has seen better days or is no longer functioning as smoothly as it should, replacing it with a newer model can create a more polished and sleek look. Choose patio doors that offer better energy efficiency, smooth functionality, and an attractive design. A stylish set of French doors or a contemporary sliding door with large glass panels can flood your home with natural light, making your interiors feel more spacious and inviting. This not only enhances your home's curb appeal but also creates a pleasant living environment. Choose colors and styles that complement the neighborhood. When selecting a new door, it's essential to keep the style and color of your door in harmony with the overall look of your neighborhood. While it's tempting to choose a bright, bold color to stand out, make sure that it complements the surrounding homes and architecture. In Metairie, where homes often feature classic, Southern-style exteriors, muted tones like navy, deep green, and charcoal can work wonders in creating a refined yet welcoming entrance. At the same time, a pop of color, such as a vibrant red or teal, can be a perfect choice if you live in a neighborhood with a more eclectic or modern feel. The key is balance, choosing a color that adds personality without clashing with your surroundings. Consider the long-term investment. Replacing your doors isn't just a cosmetic improvement, it's an investment that adds long-term value to your home. Whether you're planning to sell soon or you simply want to enjoy the benefits of your new door for years to come, a high-quality door enhances your home's value, making it a worthwhile investment. Potential buyers often appreciate well-maintained, energy-efficient features, which makes new doors a compelling selling point. Final thought. Improving your home's curb appeal doesn't have to mean a major overhaul. Sometimes, all it takes is upgrading the doors. Whether you're looking to enhance security, energy efficiency, or simply the visual appeal of your home, new doors in Metairie offer a simple yet effective way to create a lasting impression. Choose a style and color that reflect your personal taste and your home's character, and watch as your property transforms into a stunning, welcoming space that stands out in the neighborhood.